Hey there, this is Crystal, and we're importing a Word file into Excel. Yes, you can do the trusty old copy and paste, but even easier, there is a text wizard that is available in Excel that you can use for your import. So if I'm in Excel, if I go to the Data tab, there's this Get External Data group. From text is what I would use for getting a Word document. I'd have to have saved it, as opposed to a Word document, DOCX, I'd have to save it as a text file. So I click on From Text, and then I navigate to the location that I have my Word document. Here's my text file. Notice it says text document here. Once I click on it, I click on Import. There's a three-step wizard that'll walk me through where I can actually say, what would I like my data to look like? It gets broken down in this delimited part in step 1. I'm just going to click on Next. I can separate it any way I want. Notice my data preview that's available here. When I click on the next part, I can actually do a little formatting in here, and I can click and I can choose the preview. I can finish. Where would I like my data to be placed? A1 is good. As soon as I click OK, there's my data in Excel. So that's it. You did it. You imported from Word to Excel. This is Crystal. See you soon.